Hello everyone. So today we're going to start a new playlist in this channel, which is Tailwind components for Next JS using React and Next. So the idea here is that we're going to make components using Tailwind CSS, but for Next, just like a Bootstrap library or any other UI library that you know. And in this first video, we are going to do the installation of anything for this project to work. So I'm also doing the same thing using Next, Vue plus Next, in another playlist, so that you can check that out. Okay, so let's go. The first thing we need to do is we need to start our project. So we have npx create next app latest is creating our project. For the project name, let's put Tailwind next. TypeScript, no. ESLint, yes. Tailwind, CSS, yes. So he's going to install Tailwind for this project directly from this installation. Source directory, no. App router, yes. Customize, no. And that's it. He's also installing the packages. After it finished, we're going to make a few more things. So not only the Tailwind is necessary, but we're going to install some editor extensions that are very good to use with Tailwind. Let it just finish that so that you can open our project and check that out. Okay, let's put code space dot. So this is the basic project for Next app, and we have here the Tailwind CSS. But we also want to do is we want to install a plugin. Actually, let's install the editor things. First one is Tailwind. Oh, my dog. The Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. What it does is it shows us information about the classes we are using. So when you hover the class, it shows what CSS you are applying to with that class. It also has auto complete options and some highlighting for the errors that you can make. Another extension is Prettier. My goodness, Prettier. So Prettier code formatter, it's an extension, and we're going to use that, so make sure to install that together with a Prettier plugin for Tailwind. So we're going to come back here. Let me just copy this. So we have npm install -d Prettier plugin Tailwind CSS. And what this does is when you save the file, is going to change the class, the Tailwind classes that you use, is going to auto sort the classes with the correct sorting that Tailwind uses. So Tailwind has a preference for class sorting, and when you save the file, it's going to sort those classes automatically. Let me see, it finished. Okay, it finished. Now what we're going to do is, to make sure that this works, we go to settings, we go to text editor and formatting. Make sure format on save is checked. Also, let's look for formatter. Make sure that Prettier-coder formatter is selected under default formatter, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the app. On the globals, we can delete everything here and save the file. And on the page app, we can also delete everything. Let's put an h1 tag here. My goodness. An h1 with home. Just so we can check this if everything's working. Now we put npm run dev. Something's missing, yes. So you need to put cd tailwind next. And well, I think I installed this package on the wrong side of things, so I'm going to install it again. Not only that one. I probably did that inside the wrong folder because I didn't enter the folder. Okay, I think everything is working now. I'm going to run npm run dev. We have this on localhost 3000. Let me put it here. So, okay, we have home here, which is working. Well, now I'm going to show you what happens when you put the information here that is not sorted correctly. So you have a button here. Let's put logging or something. And you have text white. When you hover, you can see the information. So you can see exactly what CSS class you are adding here. And when I save the file, what it needs to do, it's going to auto sort this so that it goes specifically as Tailwind wants. So you saw it, so this BG sky was at the end, now is at the beginning, and the padding was at the beginning, now is at the end, so it's working. And let's see if the button here, okay, so you have the button here working correctly. So this is it. There's something else I want to show you. It's not for next, it's actually for next. But if you're using, I have another video with Nuxt, and one thing that Nuxt has, it has this Tailwind UI that can just copy the classes, and you can paste directly at your file, your classes. So if you just want to use this Tailwind UI, you can check out the other video where I show you how you can make this work. And then you can just come here and copy the classes that you want to use. I think this is a very good thing to have. So just copy and then just go and just paste it wherever you think it's necessary. So if you want to support this project, I'm going to have a description here, a link in the description, and also the files for this is also going to be on the description. And that's it. I hope you like it. Tell me what components using Tailwind you like to see next. And let's go for the next video.